Welcome in, Sakwal. Let's get your hands dirty and actually build something. In this lesson, we're setting up your personal networking lab using two free industry-loved tools, Cisco Packet Tracer and GNS3. By the end, you'll have a real environment where you can practice every CCNA topic we cover without spending a single dollar on hardware. Let's get you free and ready. Here's the thing nobody tells you up front. You don't truly learn networking by reading. You learn it by building topologies, typing commands, breaking your config, and figuring out why nothing's pinging. That's where a lab comes in. We'll start with Packet Tracer, Cisco's free simulator that's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and it covers most of the CCNA blueprint. Then later, when you want the real deal, we'll add GNS3 or EvenG, which actually emulates Cisco IOS images. Start light, go deeper when you're ready. So let's get Packet Tracer onto your machine. It's just 4 steps. First, head over to netacad.com and create a free account. Cisco doesn't charge a cent for this. Then enroll in the short intro course called Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. That's the key that unlocks your download link. From there, grab the build for your operating system. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, install it and sign in with the same netacad credentials. That's it. You've got a working lab. Now, once Packet Tracer feels like second nature, there's another tool worth knowing about, GNS3. The big difference is that GNS3 runs real Cisco IOS images, so your virtual routers behave exactly like the hardware sitting in a production rack. The trade-off is that you'll need to supply your own iOS images, and it asks more of your CPU and RAM. So treat this as a bookmark for later. Finish Packet Tracer first, then come back when you're ready for the most realistic lab you can run on a laptop. All right, back to Packet Tracer. Let's prove your setup actually works with a quick 60-second test. Drag 2 PCs and a switch onto the canvas. Connect them with copper cables. Then give each PC an address in the same subnet. Say 192 on 168.1.1 and 192.68.1.2. Open the command prompt on PC 1 and ping the other one. 4 replies, 0% loss. That's it. You've just built and verified your first working CCNA lab. And that's a wrap on Lesson 2. Next up, we're diving into the Cisco IOS command line itself, learning how to navigate modes, run your first show commands, and start speaking the language of every Cisco device you'll ever touch. If this helped, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss Lesson 3. See you in the terminal.